Good evening, students. This is lecture number 4 of chapter number 3. Today we will discuss exercise 3b. Start with the very first question. Question is find the value of question number 1 first part. Find the value of a square plus b square. We have to find the value of a square plus b square. Okay, sum of this, and given that a plus b equal to 9 and ab equal to 20. A plus b equal to 9 and ab equal to 20. So what we have to apply the formula of a plus b whole square, because it contains this term a square plus b square. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now we have a plus b, given that 9, so 9 square equal to a square plus b square. We have to find out, plus 2 into ab. ab is given as 20. 20 into 2 40. 9 into 9 81. 81 minus 40, that is a square plus b square. So value of a square plus b square is 81 minus 40, that is 41. Okay, second part, homework in your fair copy. Discuss with third part. M plus n, we have given m plus n equal to 8 and m minus 1 equal to m minus n equal to 2. We have to find out mn. So what we have to apply so that we have to find out mn? So what formula or we have to apply for both of the given values so that we can find mn? M plus n, if we can take the square of this term, m square plus n square plus 2mn, it contains mn term. Okay, and m minus n whole square, this is also contain m square plus n square minus 2mn. Okay, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Subtract equation number 2 from equation number first. Minus, okay, minus and minus plus. Cancel. M square minus n square 0, n square minus n square 0, 2mn plus 2mn. We have 4mn. 4mn equal to m plus n whole square. M plus 1 is given as 8 square. So 8 square equal to 64 minus m minus n 2. 2 square. 2 square is 4. This is 8 square minus 2 square. So 8 square 64 minus 2 square 4 equal to 4mn. So this is 60 equal to 4mn. So what is the value of mn? mn equal to 60 upon 4, that is 15. So value of mn equal to 15. Next, fourth part actually is homework, very simple question. We have to do the square of x plus 1 by x, that is given as 3. So both sides square. 3 square is 9 and x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Okay, 9 minus 2, that is 7. So x square plus 1 by x square equal to 7. Again square that term, that is by x whole square, that is equal to 7. Okay, next, fifth part. Okay, in this part we required x minus value of x minus 1 by x. Okay, and we have x plus 1 by x. Directly we cannot find this value. Okay, for this we have to square on both sides, but both are not equal, because this term contain minus 2ab and this term contain plus 2ab. Okay, so if you want to equate both the term, means left hand side equal to right hand side, so what we need to add or subtract in this part? Let us see. X square plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, 2ab. Cancel it. X square plus 1 by x square minus 2. This is the left hand side. If you solve, this is left hand side. Now right hand side. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab. So right hand side we have x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Okay, if you require that x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 here, so here we have to subtract minus 4 from this. Why it is 2 minus 4? 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2. So x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Now this equation or right hand side is equal to left hand side. So for or we have, if you want to equate both the terms in right hand side or left hand side, then we have to subtract 4 from this side. I think this is clear. This is not the part of question, but we have to consider this as like this, and we must be understood this part. For this we can again do that. Okay. So now we have to find out this, and we have x plus 1 by x as root 5. So root 5 square minus 4 is 5 minus 4, that is 1. So we have x minus 1 by x whole square equal to 1. Okay, now x minus 1 by x whole square equal to 1. So we have to find out x minus 1 by x equal to under root 1 or under root plus minus 1. So we have two values of this, x equal to 1 comma minus 1. Now we have to find out x square minus 1 by x square. Okay. For this we have to take the help of this equation. Okay. X minus 1 by x whole square equal to 1. Okay, we know this. Now x minus 1 by x, or we can say that x square plus 1 by x square minus 2ab or minus 2 equal to 1. So now we have the value of x square plus 1x is equal to 3, and we have to find out this. Again we apply this formula here. X minus or x square minus 1 by x square equal to x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 4. Okay. Similarly like the same. Okay. For the square of this, a square plus b square minus 2ab and a square plus b square plus 2ab. So again we have to subtract here minus 4, so that it become minus 2 and equal to this. So similarly we can do here x square plus 1 by x square, that is equal to 3. So 3 square minus 4, that is 9 minus 4 5. So x square minus 1 by x square equal to under root of 5, that is plus minus. So we have again two values of this, x square minus 1 by x square equal to plus root 5, and second one is minus root 5. Question number second, part second. Okay, first part is your homework in rough copy, third part in fair copy, and question number second we will discuss here. AB plus BC plus CA. We have to find out this. If A plus B plus C equal to 15 and a square plus b square plus c square equal to 77. This is very simple question actually, all the parts. Just we have to apply the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 ab plus bc plus c. We have to find out this part. So a plus b plus c 15, so 15 square equal to a square b square c square, given that 77 plus 2, this is unknown value. Okay, 15 square 225 minus 77 2ab plus bc plus ca. You have to use this method only for any question in exam if you have to find out this type of value. Okay, subtract this value from this. (148) equal to 2 into this, divided by 2. So AB plus BC plus CA, we have 142. This is 74. So answer is AB plus BC plus CA equal to 74. Okay, third part here is your homework in your fair copy. Move to question number third. First part your homework in fair copy. Hint is given as well. Okay, second part we will discuss here. Okay, 27x cube minus 27x square y plus 9x y square minus y cube. Actually this is the type of a minus b cube. Okay, a 3x cube minus b cube minus 3a square b. So what is the value of b? Sorry, 3a square is minus 3a square into b plus 3a b square. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3 27 x square y, 3 into 3 9 x is y square and minus y. Okay, so this is the form of 3x minus y whole cube. Simply it is written, this is written in the form of this. And now we have x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Put the value of x and y. 3 into 2 minus y is 1 cube. 6 minus 1, 5 cube. So 5 cube equal to 125 is your answer. Very simple question. Okay, question of 4. Question of 4 is similar to the question number 1. But in first question we have square, in this question we have cube. Okay, question number 4, first part is your homework in your rough copy, and rest of the part we will discuss in next lecture. Okay, thank you.